10 ancient cities in India with a history of 10,000 years. Varanasi, also known as Kashi or Banaras. With a history dating back over 5,000 years, Varanasi is among the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Ujjain. Ujjain is an ancient and historical city that is 5,000 years old. Patna. An ancient city in Bihar, Patna boasts a rich history spanning over 2,500 years. Puri. Located in Odisha, Puri is home to the famous Jagannath Temple and has a history of more than 2,000 years. Madurai. Situated in Tamil Nadu, Madurai is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in India, dating back over 2,500 years. Hampi. Former capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, Hampi in Karnataka has a history that dates back over 5,000 years. Mahabalipuram. Known for its shore temple, Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu has a history spanning more than 1,500 years. Harappa. An important city of the ancient Indus Valley civilization, Harappa in Punjab has a history of over 5,000 years. Mohenjo-daro. Another significant city of the Indus Valley civilization, Mohenjo-daro in Sindh has a history of over 5,000 years. Lothal. An important city of the Indus Valley civilization, Lothal in Gujarat dates back over 4,000 years. Hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome videos.